Prayer is an important tool in the journey of life. Prayer brings us into greater fellowship with God, helping us to see the issues of this world from God's perspective. Prayer also helps us to see ourselves as God sees us, which is always a humbling but uplifting experience. Prayer helps us to see our neighbors as God sees them, as people made in the image of God. So we thank the National Leadership Prayer Breakfast Committee for the excellent work that they have done for over 40 years, promoting prayer among and for the leaders of this country. The VM Group salutes them for the work that they have done. We stand with them now, as we have done for over 35 years, encouraging them to continue this great work.